Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to install Signal on your iPhone 11. So begin by opening the App Store. Then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in Signal. You should see it listed in the search results, so tap on it and confirm it's by Signal Messenger. Once you've done that, you now want to tap on Get to start the installation process. Confirm using your Apple account password or Face ID. And then once you've done that, simply wait for the app to be downloaded on your phone. Once it's been downloaded, you want to tap on Open to launch it. And now you can start using Signal Messenger on your iPhone 11. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.